ako? Ano bang kakayahan mo?
Yes, I have my power as a human. We need to support the gender equality.
No! Ang kababayan talaga ay nasa bahay lang. Mas may karapatan ang mga kalakihan magmulong sa ating bansa at para sa ating pag-unlad ng ating ekonomiya. Kasi ang mga kababayan ay parang gumawa ng mga bahay sa atin.
Lalaki sa babae, ano ang pinagkaiba?
Kasi ang mga kalakihan ay may kapangyarihan para magmulong sa ating bansa.
Kami ba wala?
Wala talaga kasi ang mga ginawa ng mga gawaing bahay talaga.
Pues kailangan ko itong ipagpatuloy. Kailangan yung race, ang gender equality.
No!
Hindi ka na dapat na mamulong dahil ikaw ay isang sakim! Sakim!
No!
Second scenario, gender inequality in workplace.
Yes, everyone, listen. And now we have to announce the promotion for the manager. And the manager is no other than Ayan Abahan.
Oh my God, this is very wrong.
Come in.
Sir, good morning, sir. I think this is not right. Because I know my capacity. Ako yung pinakamatagal sa kumpanyang ito. I am still a newbie. Ako newbie. Marami akong nakontribute dito. Why is that?
Reaction mo ba ako? Sino ba ang boss dito?
Yes, you are the boss, but this is not right. I know my capability as an employee. And
As a owner of this company, I know what I have had to be the best asset of my company, and I know she is not today promoting to manager. Bakit mabuhat pa siya? Alam ko may kakayahan siya. One of the because she is a boy. May meron na mga kapangyarihan para mamulong sa aking kampanya.
nowadays, we want to promote gender equality. Ganyan eh. Hindi mo muna ng bansa dahil sa mga utak na ganyan.
Sino ba ang may-ari ng kampanya?
And kung gusto naman, sir, I resign.
No! Good time!
No, you're fired.
For LGBTQ plus rights.
Ilaban ang kabaklaan! Ilaban ang kabaklaan! Ilaban ang kabaklaan! Ilaban ang kabaklaan! Ilaban ang
Oh my God! Nandito naman ako na sinang sa likunan.
I think that they deserve to be treated with the same level of respect with the rest of the society. Why do you think it's right for you even that to go against the right?
They have no rights to promote their nonsense women's gender. They have only two gender, and that is boy and girls. And ano na sabihin niyo kamaklan? What is that? What's that? That's very wrong, ma'am.
It's our gender! It's our gender! Hey! Hey! For your information, Rosedale, LGBTQ plus is a meaning. Lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, etc.